To get started, first, press on the extension. Here you will find many different functions you can use. I will use extract profile post function. First, I will search for a user. Then I will press on the extension and extract profile post. As you can see, we extracted the posts we currently see. To extract more, simply scroll down. The more we scroll down, the higher the number becomes. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting it, you'll find all the data we extracted in here. Let's try one more function. I will use extract profile function. Then I will add it to export list. Then press on the extension again and export. As you can see, here is all the information about the profile we extracted.